Alright guys, before we start this video, I got a huge announcement. If I reach 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, that's right, 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, by September 8th, a week before Fall Rod Run and the Truck Fest event, I'm going to be giving away a GoPro at Fall Rod Run. That's right, you heard it, I'm giving away a GoPro at Fall Rod Run at the Truck Fest event. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if I get to 4,000 subscribers or more the better, the more I'll throw into this package. I'll be giving a GoPro away at Truck Fest at Fall Rod Run. Make sure you contact Tennessee Diesel Addictions if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about that event. So, we'll see you all there. How's it going, everyone? Trucks and Water here. And this is kind of a quick video, like a tech tip type video. Recently, I've been having a lot of problems with my passenger light. Like, it would go out, or these two bolts turn on but won't blink, or brake light won't come on or anything like that. And it did a lot when it rained. I couldn't figure out for the life of me. Me and my dad chased the grounds. We did the electrical testing, like made sure the fuses were good and everything, and we could not figure it out. Well, come to find out, and this only applies if you have it, if you got the tow package with the wire hookup that hooks up to the lights on your trailer, that could also be that was actually the issue. I just got a brand new one from O'Reilly's. This is it right here. From Hopkins wiring kit for Chevy and GMC. Made for pickup full size from 1988 to 1998. We could not figure it out, but come to find out, it was this. It was probably really old with the truck. Got a lot of water in it, especially when water gets in it. It short-circuited itself. So I've been running out without my little bar on, because that's what it hooks up into, is this, your trailer light from my little bar. I haven't run that for a few days. So I just got this in. It was $18 at O'Reilly, a whole lot cheaper than Amazon for some weird reason. And you got your little cap, screw, got your actual harness right here, and it's a T-harness with the wire that comes off and down. So you unplug the harness for your lights underneath and plug this in and run it down and put your ground on and stuff. So we'll get right into this installation, and then we'll hook it up and test it. So if we crawl up underneath here, I don't know if y'all can see it very well. There's your wiring harness right here. And that works both your lights. So what I'm gonna do, let's see here, is you unplug this. So chest. Hopefully y'all can see this. Unplug it. There we go. You're gonna take the new one, that's the adapter. This side goes on the passenger light, and this is the driver's side light. So you just wanna, they kind of plug on, they plug in, like they snap in, so you're not gonna mess this up. I think I got it. Yeah, I think I got it. Okay. Then plug the other side in. Same way. There we go. It should work. Okay. Make sure everything's tight. All right. So this is your new wire right here. This is your ground wire. So you're gonna have my ground goes to right here. So what you're gonna have to do is kind of like peel this off a little bit. It's supposed to do this. Just for the extra reach, and then I'm gonna take off this bolt, drop it right there, and put the new one on right there. So we fixed it. It's back in order. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna make sure it's all plugged up good. We got the new route for the ground, and I'm gonna zip tie this up in somewhere where water can't get to it, or very unlikely will get to it, and then we will check on the lights, and I'll show you what they do. I zip tied the main module. There's a hole in the subframe up there, a little like screw hole or something. I zip tied the main module too. And then this stuff is balancing on the rear tire. I'm gonna check after I drive it to make sure it stays right there. But that way I can get easy access to if I want to disconnect it or whatever. So yeah, so we got the ground wire running right to here. That's all secure, ready to go. Lights work. So I'm gonna show you what the light bar does, and we'll go from there. light bar works. Moral of the story is, make sure you check all your routes. This is the last thing we checked and turned out to be the culprit. And on a lot of the forums I was looking at trying to figure out this problem, maybe just like the relay, your grounds or anything like that, which that's the normal stuff you would look for, but make sure you check this stuff out too. Because like, I'm just trying to make awareness of it. If you got the tow package on your truck with that kind of setup, hookup, make sure you check that out. But thank you all so much for watching this little quick video. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're constantly growing, constantly changing. Join the Trucks and Water family. Like the video if you like the video. Comment anything down below that you want to ask or comment. Comment down below video suggestions too on what you want to see. All of you have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.